right, boys and girls, here we are doing more addition facts. Don't forget your name at the top. And these are addition facts plus 1. So when we do plus 0, the number stays the same. But if we're doing plus 1, remember, we go to the next number we would say if we were counting. So if I have 6 plus 1, the next number would be 7. 3 plus 1, the next number after 3 is 4. 7 plus 1, the number when we're counting after 7 is 8. 4 plus 1, the number when we're counting is 5. 5 plus 1, the next number would be 6. 8 plus 1, so the number after 8 is 9. And then if I have 1 and 1, 1 plus 1, the number after 1 is 2. So because we did so many together last time, I am certain that you can do these ones on your own. Just go ahead and give it a try. And then when you're finished, raise your hand and I want to come check it. And then you can go on to your next station. Remember, I think you're amazing and you're doing a great job.